Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome back. Today we're going to do another shave video. And if you tuned in last week, I don't know if you watched it till the end, but during that video I dropped my phone in the sink, so it went for a little swim. This week I'm going to be filming with my Canon M50. And today's going to be a birthday shave. My lovely wifey bought me some soap, and this is from Phoenix. This is the Supreme Sandalwood. Man, that smells really good. Have you guys had a chance to try this? I think it should be called King Sandalwood. I don't know, but I do like the logo on there. And I'm also going to be using the Gillette Black Beauty. This is 1978, my birth year. And I'm going to load that up with a feather blade. This camera here doesn't always like to focus up close for some reason. Get this dude out of the package here. Here's that blade if you guys haven't seen it before. Just going to throw that right in there. And I'm going to be shaving with this on setting 6. I already got some of the soap there in my bowl. 1/4 teaspoon. I'm just going to shake a little bit of the water out. Get the lathering. This is just a regular old stainless bowl. You don't have to have anything fancy to lather with. Tonight we're going to be going out to Route 51 Brewery. Watch a little dueling pianos. It'll be kind of interesting. I'll have you a little update on that next week. You know, one thing I need to do while I'm still lathering, I need to wet my face. I did just get out of the shower, so my face is nice and clean. Get back to getting that lather going. This is a Saturday shave. I went from Monday to Sunday to Saturday. Well, I may not be up to doing a video on Sunday, so I figured why not go ahead and do it now. That's nice and ready. See if I can wear it today like I always do. Black shirt never helps out any. Trying to. Had a couple new subscribers since the last video. I'd like to say welcome. Thank you. For all my current subscribers, welcome back. Still waiting to hear some recommendations for the next video. I've already got some things that I've thought about. It's one of those things you get quite a few different shave soaps. You're always wondering, what should I do next? What should I shave with now? I did get something. I didn't think I did. Alright, get that razor warmed up in the water, and here we go. That feather blade is really nice and sharp. You guys have any big plans for Easter coming up? Our kids are getting old enough now. We're not doing the Easter egg hunts and all that stuff. We still get them some baskets with goodies in them. I did have 2 days worth of growth. Oh yeah, I love how that Phoenix has just that residual left over in between shaves. I know I'm picking some up off my goatee, but it's always nice to have that. I do think I forgot to mention this is the Atomic Rocket brush from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Last night I put the order in for a couple other knots. I got a couple brushes I'm wanting to do. I'm thinking about one of my shaves coming up is going to be a all 3D printed shave. It'll be really interesting. But I don't know if I'm going to do that next week or maybe the week after. Just never know. I may not be wearing this shirt tonight. Yeah, maybe not. I'm going to go across the grain. This razor here is definitely mild. But it will get the job done. There's always this big hype on these feather blades, and everybody's like, they're so sharp, they're so scary sharp. I think if your technique's good, you're not really going to have an issue with it. You got to respect the blade. Now that I said that, I'll probably get a big gusher. Alright, and I've got a washcloth here with cold water. I'm going to pick down whatever we got here. Found a little bit more soap. You ever shave and you go to work, or later on that day somebody's like, you got something right there behind your ear? I've done that before. You're like, sorry, I'm just a wet shaver. You wouldn't know anything about that with that can of foam. Oh yeah, did a pretty good job. Maybe not as efficient as the old Game Changer, but... And she got me the matching splash. Thank you very much, honey. I hope you love the scent. We'll find out here in a little bit. Oh, I wish you guys could smell that. If you guys have used this soap or splash, comment below and let me know how you like it. I'm going to follow up with a little bit of Star Jelly. I hate this camera because it doesn't focus very well. Up close anyway. Your arms can only be so far away from the sink. Either that, or if I'm too close, I don't think you guys want to... Are you in there? I didn't think you want me to be up that close. Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright, I'm going to do a little cleanup here. I forgot earlier I was going to put a picture up here of everything that I've used for today's shave. If you have any comments or concerns, please leave it below. And if you'd like to share the video or like it, I appreciate it. You guys have a good weekend. Bye.